Do not let your arms get so close to your body. You feel kind of handcuffed in here. Get your top hand away from the body. Okay, work the puck nice and easy out here. I want you to almost get a feeling like you're chasing after the puck, or not in here having to push it along. Feel like that puck is out there. I got to chase after it. The top stick handlers, by the way, stick handle off the heel of their blade. They do not stick handle off the toe. Okay, so when you see a great stick handler, the blade is not flat on the ice. The blade looks like this. The toe is in the air. Okay, they stick handle off the heel. They do not do this. They don't have high hands. Okay, the hands are nice and low. They stick handle off the heel of the blade. Great stick handlers usually have very high hands. This bottom hand is up here. It's not down here. A little too mechanical down here. Get your hands up here, nice and high, off the heel, right? Toes in the air, work the puck. Can we do that? Yes? Let's go.